I can't even put anything in my drawers. I can't even do laundry without getting scared because nothing will fit, nothing will go in the closet. Every day my room is a mess because I have so much clothes, so I just needed a new system. Hey guys, it's Angelina. I'm back with a cleaning video. Cleaning my closet out. Not just my closet, but my drawers, my jewelry, my shoes, my accessories for my hair, everything. We're cleaning it out. I'm going to be donating some clothes, I'm going to be selling some clothes, and I'm going to be keeping some clothes. So the clothes that I'm selling, I will put them up for everyone to be able to buy, and you can buy it on the app called Poshmark. Anything that you see that you like, just check my Poshmark and you will be able to buy it. This is gonna take some time and I'm a little scared, but at least I have you guys to motivate me to get through it because it's really scary. But yeah, I will show you guys what we are working with. So basically I have my clothes color coordinated, but it doesn't start from red. I don't know why I put red in the middle. Who thought that was a good idea? It doesn't look bad, but it is. Like, I swear, like, I'm gonna take everything out, I think. Yeah. Here's a close-up of how the top of my closet is looking. Here's the bottom. Here's the top of the other side. Just unorganized, a lot of clutter going on. Same thing with the shoe rack holder. The bottom of this side is just really messy. Sorry, guys. My dresser just has a bunch of overstuffed drawers. Can't even open them. Can't even put anything else in. This is where I keep all my jewelry and stuff. It's really cluttered, so I need to put away all of the magazines and whatnot and extra stuff. Alright, now you've seen everything. Let me take everything out, starting with red. I'm scared. Oof. I just did the thumbnail and now I have to pick all this up and organize it. Alright, so far, here is my donation pile and here is my selling pile.
One hour later.
Everything is organized. And I feel like I got rid of a lot of good stuff. So now we're gonna put it in color order. Are you guys excited? Because I'm excited. Let's go. Coming through. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Crud. I hope there's enough space. Purple is in the house. Green first, and then I'll put blue in a second. Okay. It doesn't look that bad, actually. Nice. Yellow's in the house. Last but not least, red. There's so much space. Oh my gosh. Okay, see how much space I have now? Wow, and it looks so good like this. I'm very, very happy. There's still so much to do. Okay, what next? Let's do the other side of the closet. Yes. Next, we have my jackets and vests. Here's the thing. Having a lot of jackets is a good thing. And I'm not trying to get rid of them, so I think I'm going to keep a lot of these. I just need to re-color coordinate it. I'll just switch them around. That's probably a better idea. Here's how it looks so far. All color coordinated. Alright, it's the next day. We're just gonna pick up where we left off, but last night I got the chance to like really plan out everything. Here's my dresser. I planned out what drawers I'm gonna put everything in. Then I have 2 plastic like containers and then all these plastic containers to put everything in. You'll see later, but I just mapped it out. And if you're reorganizing your room, I definitely recommend that because it made me less overwhelmed. These are all my leftover hangers, so I have to scoot them over. I'm just gonna take out everything I'm not keeping. Whew, okay. I guess I'll put this here. Oh wow, that's simple. I like it. I like how it's just, you know, simple. Nothing's falling out. Nice. All right, so time for my dresser. Hey.
Teddy.
What are you doing in
Where's
here?
Teddy?
Say hi.
teddy.
What teddy?
Your teddy.
My teddy bear?
Yes.
This one?
Yes. That's teddy.
We found the teddy. She said, yes, that's Teddy. All right, let's move on to shorts. She's on the pile of clothes. She thinks it's a game. You want to go on the hill? Go jump in the clothes. Go jump into clothes. Now for the t-shirt section. I love t-shirts, so this is gonna be hard for me, and I go to a lot of concerts and I'm like, I have to get the t-shirt even though I'm never gonna wear it. And oop.
And I oop.
What'd you say?
Would I oop?
What I oop? Donate, donate, donate.
Hey, I want to help.
Donate that one, Sophie. You
Donate.
want this? Donate.
Thank you.
Donate. No, not that pile. That's the selling pile. Donate this one.
This?
No, this one.
No, this.
No, that's the selling pile. This is the donate. Broken pieces till I'm bleeding. If that'll make you mine.
Stop it.
There'll be no clear skies.
No.
Here, throw this away. Oh my gosh, look at this one. It's a vintage High School Musical tour shirt.
What's that?
And I could literally make this into a cute vintage top. Shut up. I could if I like tied it right here. You went to take a shower?
Yeah.
Are you a clean girl? Let's show them your outfit. Show them your cute dress. Wow, good girl. Now we're going to put all of these clothes in many bags. This is gonna take a long time, so I'll just show you when I'm done. Okay, so I put all of them in bags. It took 7 garbage bags to put all the donation. Here's all the clothes I'm selling. So I have to take pictures with them on and stuff to sell them. And then I have some keep stuff. I just need to finish the bottom of my closet and the top of my closet just to create space for my organizers. See, I have like bins that I'm going to put more clothes in, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to take basically everything out. I'm not going to show you the whole process, but I'll show you how it looks when it's done. Okay, I know this still looks like a mess, but it's an organized mess. I'm ready to put everything in my closet. So I have all the donations here, all the selling, all the trash from my closet here. All my shoes are ready to go on my floor. I sorted out all the old clothes that I was selling and I put it in this box. And all of these organizers are ready to go in my room, and I'm ready to put more organizers like those bins inside. So let's go, I'm excited. Just random stuff. Everyone has it. Before I put these boxes in, I just want to show you. In this bin I have all my bandanas, tube tops, short camisoles, and bralettes in colored order. This one I have some bags and backpacks. This one I have 2 backpacks that I mainly use. This box that my boyfriend made for me, so cute, huh? Has all my hats in it. And then in this new container, I have reusable bags and like bags from Urban Outfitters. And then I have my bikinis in here. And then plastic bags for my trash in here. In these smaller ones, I have my belts and fanny packs. And then this one, I have my crafts. Wow, that's so much more organized. Alright guys, so now I'm completely done organizing. I'm going to show you everything starting with my dresser. So, I took out basically all my jewelry. I have my glasses laid out. I have my little beads that I wear around my waist. And then I decided to put all my gold jewelry on here. And yeah, so first off, here is my underwear drawer. It's so nice to have just a drawer dedicated to underwear. I didn't get to do all my laundry yet, so It's not filled completely, but I know it's gonna all fit. Here's my bra drawer slash sports bra drawer. Here's my sock drawer. It's so spacious. I love it. My pants drawer. I put most of my pants away. Over here, my hoodies. Yay! There's just so much space. It could actually open. Here are my t-shirts. Here are my shorts. Yay! So that is my dresser. I can't believe how nice and organized it is. Now for my closet. Beautiful closet. In this corner, I decided to put all my packaging stuff. And over here, I have my nail polish above this bin I already showed you before. And then I have my organizer for my notebook supplies and files and whatnot. Over on this side, you could see my organized boxes. It's so much more spacious now that I have like slots for specific things. You can see my crafts up there, my clothes that I'm gonna sell. Oh, where the fuck am I gonna put the new clothes that I'm gonna sell? That's a later problem. But yeah, that's it. I did it. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for cleaning my closet with me. It took me so much time and I was dreading it, but I got through it. And now I have to donate and sell everything. Make sure you follow me on Poshmark to see each piece in depth and to see if a piece that you saw and would like to buy is on there for sale. I have been gone for a really long time. I used to be on YouTube quite frequently until I got really into dance. I kind of focused on dance for a few years and then I created a channel with my best friends. We're called Next Kids. That channel is doing really great right now. I really started this channel for fashion and I noticed that ever since Next Kids started, my passion for fashion has been revived and I bought a lot of new clothes. We really love clothes. We really love colorful clothes. I just want to start posting videos more often because I'm kind of back into it. I already do it for Next Kids, so I might as well do it for myself again. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Angelina and follow me on Instagram.